Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to install the ReelShort app on a device. So if you want to install the ReelShort app and watch the movies and series from the ReelShort app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to install that. So let's get started. So after that you just need to open the App Store on a device, and this is the home page of App Store where you'll see various options in the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. So click on the option of search, and from here you just need to search the option of ReelShort. So search the ReelShort app, and here as you can see this is the ReelShort app where you'll see the option of short movies and TV. So click on the option of get, and here click on the option of install. So after clicking on the option of install, you will be able to install the ReelShort app on a device and you'll be able to watch it now. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.